we're going to dive into lemon verbena as an essential oil. Because it has this wonderful, lovely lemony scent to it, and it's got a lot of important medicinal properties, the essential oil. So it's often used in this format. It can be made to teas and all kinds of other things, but the essential oil is a really popular way of taking advantage of some of its best healing properties. So whenever you're using an essential oil, you want to be using medicinal grade, especially if you're using it medicinally. All essential oils are not created equal. Medicinal grade means it's the highest quality, it's the most condensed from the plant, and it's going to give you the best medicinal, qualities. So this is one where it's used externally. It can be used internally. Kind of 1 to 2 drops is the maximum. And diluted in water. People would also dilute it with massage oils to use externally, things like this. It's known as a carrier oil. Wide varieties: olive oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, you get the idea. And in traditional Chinese medicine, the essential oil is known similarly to the herb for moving qi, clearing heat, calming shen. Shen is your awareness, your consciousness. And in the West, it's known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties and its sedating properties, so just the same as the herb. When it's in essential oil form, it's sometimes called citral, so you want to be on the lookout for that. And it's one of these great oils that has a lot of applications. From cleaning the home to freshening the air. Certainly its anti-inflammatory properties and its sedating properties make it very, very popular and commonly used for reducing anxiety, lifting depression, palpitations, calming a person down, helping with insomnia that could be disrupted because of anxiety. Exhaustion, when somebody's just feeling so fatigued, that lemon quality can just help lift the spirit. Very commonly used with massage oils to treat aching joints, symptoms of cold sores. It can help stimulate the appetite, help regulate, gastral spasming, stomach cramping, things like that. And it's even been used by pregnant women to help calm, relieve tension, and ease headaches. So this is a wonderful herb to know about in terms of teas and all of that. But it's very worth knowing about in terms of its essential oil applications as well. And it's a lovely way to take advantage of its aromatherapy, and aromatherapy as a healing power in and of itself.